Hello, I'm RoyOMartin III, Chairman and CEO of RoyOMartin. As you know, RoyOMartin makes oriented strand board and plywood, but really, we are in the people business. And when you're in the people business, their health care is #1 on your list. That's why we support the American Cancer Society. This is very personal for me. In 1993, I lost my mother to cancer, diffuse histiocytic lymphoma. Now, today, all these years later, that type of cancer is much more survivable. Unfortunately, this year, I lost my sister to colon cancer. I'm hoping our dollars will help to find a cure in the near future. That's why I'm donating to the American Cancer Society, because they put our money where it matters most, for people's health. Please join me for the relay on the roads benefiting the American Cancer Society. We're ready to go.